in your diaper? What's in your diaper? Is it a poo? B, is it a pee? B, what's in your diaper? What's in your diaper? Is it a poo? B, is it a pee? B. My mama said I need to change my diaper. I said, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. My dada said I need to change my diaper. I said, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sometimes I need to go, sometimes I need to float. Sometimes I squat real low and push, then push some more. Cause I got extra cargo, it's time to get unloaded. If you don't wanna cry though, you better pinch your noses. Everybody does it, even though we try our best to hide it. If we just could all accept it, maybe we could all laugh at it. Some are hard and some are runny, let's agree that they're all funny. Dogs, cats, birds, fish, your mommy, daddy, even bunnies. Number two, just take a whiff and I'll show you go poo-poo. Hey, hey, go poo-poo. Hey, hey. Number one or number three, what's number three? You best go see, it's pee-pee. Hey, hey, go pee-pee. Hey, hey. What's in your diaper? What's in your diaper? Is it a poo? B, is it a pee? B, what's in your diaper? What's